Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we got another Good Find Friday. So this is all the good stuff we got today, and it's actually on the trailer, so we're gonna do it a little bit different today. All right guys, first thing we got is this little couch. It doesn't have any legs on the bottom, but overall it's in pretty good condition. My wife actually paints furniture, which we might have some videos of that later, but it just has some dog hair on it. We'll have to just vacuum it off, but I think I can at least get 50 bucks for that. Next thing we got is this wooden bench. Not sure if I can sell this, but we might just take it to our other property, but I might be able to get like 35 bucks for it. Maybe somebody can do something with it, but that's the second thing. All right guys, next we got this coffee table and these two end tables. They're in pretty good condition. We got a strap on that because the top actually lifts up, but I would probably say lowest we can get is 50 bucks. Most we can get is probably 150, but you know, it's right after the holidays, so we'll see if we can get that for that. But yeah, that was another good item. All right, the next thing we got is this like leather chair, and it's looks to be in pretty good condition. These little arms go up and it does plug in, so we got to see if it works. These chairs are probably pretty expensive, but I think we can at least get 100 bucks for this. But yeah, let's look at the next thing. Next up, we have this like TV stand slash shelf. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. Looks like they just put this piece on backwards, so we can just take this apart and fix that. We should be able to get $35 to $50 for that. All right guys, this is the best thing we got on this Good Find Friday. It's a brand new in the box corner chair, and right here are the coverings for that. So that was pretty cool. I thought that was awesome that it's brand new in the box. So I have no idea what this is worth. I'm gonna have to look it up, but I'd say at least a couple 100 bucks on that. All right, those are all the good items we got from this Good Find Friday. If you guys think that those items are worth more or less, I would love to hear what you guys have to say in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.